Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video. I do create makeup content, so if you want tips on anything beauty, anything makeup, you are at the right place. So subscribe to this channel, share with your friends. On this video, I'm sharing with you how I achieved this look. Give me a thumbs up, comment, leave me a comment on the comment section. Let's get started. I'm cleansing my face with this Pharmacy Facial Cleansing Tonic. It's basically a cleanser and I'm using a cotton wool to apply that on my skin. Skin preparation is very important in makeup application. Then after that, I'm using the Garnier Skin Active Toner to tone, and I also use my hands to rub it into my skin by tapping, basically tapping it into the skin, and it leaves my skin so smooth. After that, I'm moisturizing with this Nivea moisturizer and also applying that with my hands and rubbing it evenly on the skin. For lips, I'm using the Nivea lip balm to moisturize the lips, and then taking my Maybelline Superstay primer, rubbing it into my skin, and we are ready for makeup. So I did my brows of camera. Now I'm doing the base for the eyeshadow, and I'm using my Fit Me concealer in number 45. It's the same one I used for my eyebrows to define the brows. Then going to my Juvias Zulu palette and taking that pink and putting that on the outer corner of the eye and blending it into the crease area and blending out the harsh edges. And I'm doing the same for the other eye, taking that yellow and using it to blend out the edges of the pink, and I am blending that all the way to the brow bone for a smooth transition to make everything look nice and well blended out. Then taking a clean brush to blend out everything. Then for the cut crease, I'm using the same concealer, Maybelline Fit Me number 45, and I'm gently cutting the crease. Have to be super careful. Then taking that golden shimmer from the Jawbreaker palette by Jefferystar, and I'm using that on the lid where I cut my crease. This is a very beautiful color that I loved so much. I'm just applying that all over the crease where I cut the crease basically, and then going back to the pink to blend out the edges where that gold ends, because you really want to avoid having harsh lines, so always blend and blend. Then I decided to use glitter, and I used that glitter palette and basically just applied the glitter on the areas I applied the golden shimmer. The eyes are popping, so onto eyeliner. I'm using the Huddah eyeliner and I'm drawing a cat eye, which is kind of dramatic because I really wanted the eyes to pop, and I liked the eyeliner, by the way. It's really nice. You can find it on Jumia, I guess, or anywhere where they sell Huddah cosmetics products. Yeah, and I did a kind of extended the eyeliner to the front part. I'm now using an eyeliner that I got from Beauty Beyond 254 on Instagram, and I'm using that to line my waterline. Then going to the Kavirondo foundation in the shade Mnyazi and applying that on my face and blending it with a beauty blender, and I also blend it towards the neck. Mascara is a must as always. For concealer, I used the Fit Me to highlight my face in the shade number 45, and I'm applying that under my eyes, on my nose, chin and forehead. Then use the same beauty blender that I used for foundation to blend the concealer. Give me an even application. For powder, I use the Jcat Banana powder, and I use this wedge sponge to apply it. And to dust off the powder, I use the Fit Me powder in the shade Toffee. Then use the Suziebeauty blush in the shade Plum to bronze up my face and contour. For lip liner, I just used a random maroon lip liner that I got from Dubois, which is nice. It's by Everbeauty. And then I used this Mua Power Pot Acrylic lipstick that I got from Beauty Beyond 254 on Instagram. I then used this BH Cosmetics highlighting palette, and I took that, it's a silverish highlighter, and applied it on my cheeks. And of course I had to blend it out for it not to look dramatic, so dramatic. Yeah, and I used my powder brush to blend it out. Then sprayed my face using this NYX matte setting spray, and that's it. I want to give a huge shout out to Beauty Beyond 254. They're an Instagram store, and they sell makeup products, and their prices are so affordable. They're the ones who hooked me up with this lipstick that I'm wearing, and also this kohl liner that I have on my waterline. So thank you so much, Beauty Beyond 254. And also Kavirondo makeup. So Kavirondo is a Kenyan makeup brand. I know the name is not something you're used to, but their products are amazing. I've used their lipsticks before, and also on this video I used their Kavirondo Lwala foundation, and this is in the shade Mnyazi. This foundation is so full coverage. It is a very nice foundation. I can compare it to the Maybelline Superstay. That's how good it is. So you guys, if you're looking for a good affordable foundation, get yourself this. It goes for 2K, but I have a code that you can use and get it at 1800, and that includes delivery fee. I'm going to leave a link down below. I also have very good news. I got myself a ring light. Finally, I've been wanting to get myself a ring light for the longest time now. Do you know what that means? My makeup videos will no longer be the same again, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing video, which is the next video I'm going to post after this one. So make sure you turn on the bell, the notification bell. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Subscribe. Tell all your friends to come and learn their makeup from my channel. I have so many testimonies of you guys who inbox me and tell me after watching your videos I've been able to do my makeup, and that is what gives me satisfaction, and that is what pushes me to keep on doing this. Anyway, I appreciate you guys so much. We're almost at 3K subscribers, and it's all because of you. I am so grateful. So also, if you haven't followed me on Instagram, my link will be down here, because there are some videos that I do and post on my IGTV and Instagram that I don't post here. So follow me on Instagram. Let's be friends. Yeah, okay, too much talking. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.